Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start immediately. Plug the phone into the PC with a good USB cable and unlock the device so settings are accessible. Once done, enable mobile data on the phone because tethering simply shares that connection. Make sure your carrier permits tethering, otherwise the link won't carry internet. On the phone, open Settings, search for tethering or hotspot, then select USB tethering. This triggers drivers on the PC, so keep the cable connected while the system detects a new network interface. Once the phone presents USB tethering, the PC will attempt to install drivers. On Windows, this often happens automatically, while Linux or Mac may require built-in support. You should open Network Settings to verify a new adapter labeled like Remote NDIS or USB Ethernet and confirm it's connected. If the PC does not obtain an IP, try disabling other network adapters temporarily, then re-enable tethering. Make sure DHCP is enabled on the phone. If not, set a manual IP range. Finish by testing the connection. Open a browser or run a ping command to verify internet access, and keep an eye on data usage so you don't hit caps. If the connection fails, first toggle USB tethering off and on, then reboot the phone, and finally reboot the PC. These steps reload network services and drivers. If problems persist, check that the USB mode is tethering, update or reinstall the PC's USB network driver, and confirm your carrier doesn't block tethering as a final troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.